Dear students, we had started discussing lesson 10, The Price of Bananas, written by Mulkraj Anand. If you remember, a mischievous monkey had snatched the cap of a rich businessman. The businessman, or the Serji, was very much embarrassed. He was in great distress, and suddenly a fruit vendor came forward to help him. What did the fruit vendor do? He took 2 bananas in his right hand, and in his left hand he held the cap. Now he tried to coax the monkey. To coax means to persuade someone to do something. Bole bujhiye kichu korano. He was trying to tempt the monkey to come down. তাকে নেমে আসতে প্রলোভিত করছে. He would give him the bananas, and in return he would get back the cap. A kind of quid pro quo, or give and take policy. So we are starting from that point. Open your books at page 77. Oh wow, come down. The vendor coaxed the monkey. He lifted the bananas higher up. As I have already said, to coax means to persuade someone to do something. কাউকে বলে বুঝিয়ে কোনো কাজে প্রবৃত্ত করা. So the vendor requested the monkey to come down. He lifted the bananas higher up. The monkey responded by climbing down cautiously to a branch near the vendor. To respond means to react, to reply. Now when the monkey found that the vendor was going to give him 2 bananas, the monkey climbed down, but it climbed down cautiously. Cautiously means very carefully, because the monkey did not know whether the vendor would betray him or not. সে বিশ্বাসঘাতকতা করবে কিনা সে বুঝতে পারছে না. That's why the monkey climbed down cautiously or carefully to a branch near the vendor. The whole platform became silent and waited with bated breath for the impossible to happen. Bated breath, that means the breath was held, নিঃশ্বাস বন্ধ করে থাকা. All the people of the platform were very silent. They were very much excited. They were waiting, holding their breath for the impossible to happen. The impossible here means the monkey returning the cap. The vendor cooed in a soft voice, "Wow, wow," to the monkey. To coo means to say something in a very low voice. Instead of shouting like the businessman, the vendor took recourse to a different policy. The businessman was shouting. When the businessman was shouting, the monkey was going further away. But now when the vendor was speaking in a soft voice, the monkey was coming down. The monkey, looking this side and that, accepted the bargain. Bargain means a kind of agreement, এক ধরনের চুক্তি. Here, the agreement is that the vendor would give him the bananas and he would return the cap. It took over the bananas with his right hand and released the embroidered cap, slightly crumpled with its left hand. It took the bananas with his right hand and he released. To release means to give back. He returned the embroidered cap, but the cap was slightly crumpled. Here the word crumpled means it was out of shape. একটু কুঁচকে গেছে, because the monkey had been holding it tightly. So the monkey returned the crumpled cap with its left hand. The spectators shouted in praise. Spectator means people who are watching, darshan. They shouted in praise. To praise means to say good words about someone. প্রশংসা করা. Praise was showered on the vendor because he had done the impossible. He had been able to bring back the cap from the clutches of the monkey. The fruit vendor came and humbly offered the Sethji his cap. Humbly. That means meekly. Binoyer Shonge. The fruit vendor was not an arrogant person. He was not vain. He was a modest person. So he did not give airs. He did not behave in such a manner that he had done something extraordinary. Rather, he most humbly returned the cap to the Sethji. They are hungry, he said, so they disturb the passengers. And as if to explain the behavior of the monkeys, he said that the monkeys behaved in a mischievous manner. They disturbed the passengers. But why did the monkeys disturb the passengers? The monkeys disturbed the passengers because they did not get any food. They were always hungry. And that's why they indulged in mischiefs. Jejandu tara badmaishi kore. Acha, said the Sethji, and turned to go into the compartment. The Sethji accepted the cap, and without saying anything, he was returning to his compartment. Just think of the behavior of this rich man. He did not even thank the poor vendor. He did not give him any reward. Rather, he was returning to his compartment. The vendor said, Sethji, please give me 2 annas for the bananas which I had to offer to the monkey. This poor vendor had taken 2 bananas from his own stall, and he had coaxed the monkey with those 2 bananas. And each banana cost 1 anna. 1 anna means 6 paise. So 2 bananas cost 12 paise. So the vendor humbly requested the businessman to give him 12 paise for the 2 bananas. 2 annas, what impudence! Sethji shouted, each word in disgust. The Sethji was very angry that the man was demanding 2 annas. And he said that it was impudence on his part. Impudence, that means arrogance, Uddhatva. The Sethji was very angry with the vendor because he was asking for the price of the bananas. He uttered the word in disgust. Disgust means annoyance. A-W-N-O-Y-A-N-C, Birokti. He was very much annoyed at the grimy fruit vendor. Grimy means not neat and clean. Grime means dirt. The vendor was dirty because he had to go about the platform selling fruits. He naturally was dirty. Please give him the money, Sethji. The rest of the compartment said. The rest, that means the remaining. All the other passengers were very much aggrieved to find that the Sethji was behaving in such a manner with the poor vendor. So they requested him to give him the money because the man had sacrificed those 2 bananas for the Sethji. Acha, here are 4 annas for you, porter, and an anna for you, fruit vendor, Sethji said. Now the Sethji did not give 2 annas to the fruit vendor. He offered only 1 anna. And he gave 4 annas to the porter. Porter means the coolie who had carried his luggage. But I carried 2 big pieces of luggage. The porter wailed. To wail means to moan. That means to say something in a sad voice. The porter was very sad, was very depressed. He was very much disappointed, hotash, because he had carried so many things. If you remember the businessman's luggage, it included a big steel trunk, several small baskets, a brass jug. He had carried all these things. And now the Sethji was offering him only 4 annas. So he was very much aggrieved. But I carried 2 big pieces of luggage, the porter wailed. So read up to this point. I will send you the questions and answers, and we will continue in our next class. Thank you.